solve question for 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here the question for 4 number. Let's suppose this. There are 450 students in school. School has total number of students 450. This many people there are 450, okay? And then among them school has what composition? Boys plus girls always, yes. And girls are in school, girls are 180. Then question A is find the ratio of girls to total. Means girls 180, total is 450. This 0 cut. Yes, 9, 2, 9, 5. 2 by 5. If there are girls 2 by 5, then boys ratio will be always 1 minus fraction remaining as total minus girls. This is 3 by 5, and the ratio of girls and boys will be boys, girls and boys. Girls 2 by 5 by 3 by 5 equal to 2 by 3. Finished. No need to be confused, okay? Then black, okay? Now there are 25 teachers and 500 students in a school. In school has composition how much? 500 students and 25 teachers. Then find the ratio of teachers and students. Teachers 25, students 500, means this got 1, and in 100 there is 425, means there are 4 into 5 means 20, 1 by 20. This is also finished. Then 6 number question. Height of permis is, this is permis, yes, this is permis, this is his height is 165 centimeter, and height of formula is 150 centimeter. Find the ratio of height of permis and formula. Permis by formula. Permis height is 165 by 150 formula. Then 15 quarters, 15, 10, 15, 11, 11 by 10. B number, formula by permis. Same thing as 10 by 11. New question, okay? Then 7 number. Rahul obtained 40 marks out of 50 marks in English. Rahul is this person. Yes, he obtained marks in English. In English, he obtained this much. Obtained this full marks. First of all, we have to be very confident just while solving problem. No need to be confused anyway. Obtained 40. In full marks 50. Yes. And in English, for this English, yes. Then in 20 marks out of 30 in Nepali. Now Nepali, right here, Nepali, okay. Obtained how much? 20 out of 30. Then in out of Nepali. Then mathematics, at math, yes, maths, he got in full marks is 20 and he got 13. Then let's find out the percentages. Which result is better in the subject English and Nepali? in this A number question English versus Nepali. Okay, here 40 by 50 and here 20 by 30. Find out percentage. Okay, 40 by 50% means this 20, yes, no, 2 times this is or 80%. Here 100 means 0 0, got 20 by 3 means almost 66%, means this is in English he got nice marks. This is better as English. Then B number question is which is better in Nepali and mathematics, this and this. Here almost he got 66%, and in maths he got, let's calculate percentage of what he got in maths. These 65%. This is better because he got more than 66%. He just got his 65% here. So in B answer is this, A answer is this, B answer is this, and C answer. C is what? Which is the best result in this subject? Compare by finding the ratio. Ratio is that finding the ratio. Ratio is already given here, and we are finding the. So this is better, second better this, and third better is this. A is better than B, B is better than C. Let's see answer. Show to your teacher. Show this to me, okay? Then 8 number. Find out how much money will Elisa and Deepesh get while driving 60,000 in the ratio while dividing. Yes, Elisa, there are two persons, Elisa and maybe they are boyfriend and girlfriend. Yes, find out how much money will get while driving. They are total they get is 60,000. Ratio is 5. They divide in 5x plus 4x equal to 60,000. 9x equal to 60,000. So Elisa get 60,000. Elisa get 5%. Yes. This is the Elisa got, and Deepesh got 60,000 by 9 into 4. Okay, this is the answer.